Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Danzique Fitness. Get that six-pack with this fun ab workout specifically created for beginners. Although, if you're at an intermediate or advanced fitness level, I guarantee you will still feel the burn with this workout. You know, ab workouts don't have to be super long and super complicated. As long as you're working smart and staying in control, you'll carve out those abs in no time. And remember, everyone, what you eat plays a huge part in creating those washboard abs. So make sure you combine your ab workouts with healthy, clean eating. All right, let's get this workout going. No equipment needed, just your yoga mat. Okay, let's sit up nice and tall with the legs nice and long on our mat. Lengthen the arms out. We're going to take a nice inhale here as you scoop the belly, pulling it in and up. Tuck the tail under, roll about halfway back. Exhale, and inhale to roll back up, stacking the shoulders on top of the hips. Again, exhale, roll back. Inhale to roll up. Good. Really scoop the belly, tuck the tail, take it back. And rolling up. And let's go again. Scoop, tuck, take it back. Let's hold it here around the arms in front, and we're just going to do tiny pulses down toward the mat. Good. Make sure you're breathing naturally here. We never want to hold the breath. Shoulders down. Good. It's a teeny tiny movement, but hopefully you're starting to feel that core burn up. Let's sit up nice and tall, flex the feet, and just take a nice stretch over the legs. Grab those toes if you can. Around the back, drop the head down nice and heavy. Good, and let's roll up through the spine, and we'll try that once again. Legs are long, arms are long. Inhale, scoop the belly, tuck the tail, roll about halfway back. Maybe try to roll a little bit further back this time. Good, and inhale to roll up. Exhale, roll it halfway back. Use that core to roll it up. And again. Good. Hold it here around the arms. And again, teeny tiny pulses down towards the floor. Good. Stay in control. Keep breathing. Very nice, everyone. Let's hold it. Breathe. Think happy thoughts. If your abs are shaking, it's okay. Mine are too. Good. Stay, stay, stay. Hold. And you did it. Roll up, sit up nice and tall. And again, take a nice stretch over the legs. Grab those toes if you can. Drop the head down nice and heavy. Let's roll up through the spine, stack the shoulders on top of those hips, and let's take a nice little twist. So you're going to bend that right knee, left arm goes on the outside of that right leg, twisting to the right. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall. And we'll switch to the other side. Think of growing taller as you twist, no slouching. Good. And bring the body back to center. Lengthen the legs, lengthen the arms, scoop the belly, tuck the tail. Let's roll all the way down to the mat this time with control. And let's bend the knees. We have the legs about hip width apart. Lace up the fingers, hands go behind the head. Inhale here, and as you exhale, we're going to curl the head, neck, and shoulders off the mat into a crunch. Inhale to roll down. Good. So let's keep going with these crunches. Make sure you are not tugging or pulling on the head and neck. That's very important, and that's a very common mistake. Good. The crunch is happening within your midsection. Think of your last rib and your hip bones joining closer together as you crunch up, and then they go further apart as you roll back down. Beautiful. Let's hold it here. Lengthen the arms straight out in front of you. We're going to stay, stay, stay. If you need to keep your hands behind your head, that's fine. And let's do tiny pulses here. Good. So it's a really teeny tiny movement, but boy, does it burn. Good. Keep that chin tucked. I like to pretend like there's an apple under my chin. That serves as a great guide to how much you want your chin tucked. Good. Keep pulsing, keep reaching. Hold it here. And we'll lace up those fingers again. Hands go behind the head and lower back down. Beautiful. Take a nice deep breath here, and we're going to go up once again. And here we go. Crunch it up, lower down with control. Good. Keep the elbows nice and wide. We exhale to roll up. Inhale, take it down. Beautiful. Stay in control. We're working nice and slow here. Good. And let's hold this one. Again, reaching the arms forward. Stay, stay, stay. And now we go into some oblique bends. So we're bending from the waist. Touch your right heel with the right fingertips, left heel with the left fingertips. Good. Staying nice and high in that crunch. Really reach, reach, reach for that heel. Nice big side bend. Here I'm showing a modification. If you need the support, you're going to place one hand behind the head as the opposite hand reaches for that heel. Good. Beautiful. Keep going, keep breathing. It helps to exhale on each one of these bends. It just helps you to bend that extra little bit. Beautiful. And let's lower back down. Nice job, everyone. All right, let's hug the knees into the chest. Just rock the knees side to side to release any tension in the back. And if you need to, you can also rock the head side to side to release any tension in the neck. Let's lace up the fingers again. Hands go behind the head. Elbows stay nice and wide. We're going to curl the head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. And let's go into our single leg stretch. So we're going to start out by lengthening one leg, toes reaching for the sky. Good. And again, we're breathing naturally, so make sure you're not holding the breath. Now I want you to gradually try to lower your legs down to the floor. The more you lower your legs down to the floor, the harder that core has to work. Now the most important thing is that we don't arch the back. I really want you to try to press your whole spine down into your mat. If you feel your back arching, you're probably lowering your legs too far to the ground. So only go as far as your abs will support. Keep breathing, keep those elbows wide. Beautiful. And we'll hug the knees back into the chest and lower back down. Good. Take a nice deep breath here and rock those knees side to side to release the back once again. And rock the head side to side too if you need to release the neck. Let's place the feet flat on the floor. Legs are hip width apart. And we're going to place the right arm out to the side. Left hand goes behind the head. We are going to curl up, adding in a twist. You are touching your left elbow to right knee. Extend that leg, and then we lower everything back down. Again, lift and twist. Extend the leg, bend it in, and lower back down. Good. So this is a little crisscross modification exercise, and we're adding in a beautiful little leg extension. This exercise serves as a great stretch and strengthen. Those of you who know me know that I am a multitasker. I love any sort of exercise. That's a 2-in-1. You get a strengthening and you get a stretching exercise all in one. Good. Keep breathing. Even if you can't stretch that leg all the way, it's okay. Attach the elbow to knee and then try to lengthen that leg as long as you can. Good. Crunch up and twist. Lengthen the leg, bend it in, and lower back down with control. Let's switch over to the opposite side. Right hand behind the head, left arm out to the side. Crunch that right elbow to left knee, extend the leg, bend it in, and lower down with control. Twist it out. Good. And take it down. Beautiful job, everyone. Stay in control. Stay at a nice steady pace. We're not rushing here. Beautiful. And really root that opposite foot into the ground. Nothing else is moving here. Elbow to knee, lengthen the leg as long as you can, bend it in and lower down. Good, keep going, almost there. And again. Beautiful work, everyone. All right. Hug those knees into the chest once again. Rock the knees side to side. Rock the head side to side. All right. So for this next series, I want you to sit on those hands. So you're placing both hands on either side of your tailbone. And this is just a great modification to use so we don't arch our back. Again, pressing the whole spine down into the mat. We're just going to lower the right leg and then lift it up. And then we lower the left leg and lift it up. Good. So just as I said before, the more you lower your legs to the floor, the more your abs have to work. So only lower your legs as far as your core will support. Think about that spine. It has to always stay connected to your mat. We don't want it to arch. So you really have to engage that core, belly button in and up. Good. Try not to take any tension in the upper body. We're going to bend the right leg, lengthen out, and then scoop it up. Left leg, bend, lengthen out, and scoop it up. So this is our variation number 2. Same thing, only lower that leg as far as your core will support. No tension in the upper body. Relax the shoulders. No tension in the neck. Good. Spine pressing down into your mat at all times. Keep breathing naturally, never holding the breath. We're almost there. Good. And last variation, cross one leg in front of the next, bend the knees if you'd like, curl the head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, and now both legs lower down to the floor and lift up. Good. So if it's too much, just keep your head, neck, and shoulders down on your mat. Good. Again, still thinking of that spine. Swap the legs and let's do 4 more. Both legs lower down to the floor as much as you can without arching that back. Good. Keep breathing. And let's swap again. Good. We're almost there. Keep going, keep going. Push through it. Good. And change legs. Last time. 4 more. Come on. Finish strong. 1 and 2 and 3. Last one. Make it a good one. And 4. Good work, everyone. All right. Hug those knees into the chest. And relax your head down if you had it curled up. Rock those knees side to side. Rock the head side to side. Just take all the tension out. Okay, up next, we're going to try a star crunch. So we're going to open the legs and arms into a giant star. Use your core, peel the head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. Hands go to the shins, and you're just going to roll up into a tight ball. Relax the head down, and then we go again. Open up to a big star. Use your core, rolling up into a nice tight ball. Lower the head down with control. And again, lengthen the legs and arms out in opposition. Use the core, rolling up. Good, nice tight ball. And lower the head down with control. Again, we open up, big star, big star. And use the core, roll up, nice tight ball. Beautiful job, everyone. Lower the head down with control. Take a little break here. Rock those knees side to side. Let's try it again. If you want to amp it up, you're going to try to keep your head, neck, and shoulders curled off the mat the entire time. So now we crunch up as you open all the limbs. Keep crunched up as you bring it into the ball. Lengthen out, big star. Bring it into your ball. Lengthen out. Bring it in. Good. Lengthen out. Keep going. Bring it in. Beautiful, beautiful. Lengthen out. Good. Again, think about that spine. Belly button in and up. Spine pressing down into the mat. Don't arch the back. Good. Open up. Only lower the legs as much as your core will support. Good. Lengthen out. Bring it in. Nice work, everyone. Let's relax the head down. Rock those knees side to side. Rock the head side to side. Isn't that a fun one? All right. Hands behind the thighs. Give yourself a little rock back so you can pull yourself up. Okay, here's another fun one for you. We're going to try a rolling like a ball exercise. Roll halfway back. Pick the feet off the floor. Fingertips remain on the floor. Scoop the belly, tuck the tail to roll back, and then use your core to roll up. So we don't want the shoulders, the neck, or the head to hit the mat. We're going to keep the spine in that beautiful C curve. Keep the chin tucked. Again, pretend like there's an apple under your chin. You can't let it go. And the arms are on the floor, fingertips, palms on the floor, sort of serving as your guide. When you roll back, the tailbone comes off the floor a teeny bit, and then use your core to roll up. Beautiful. Keep going, guys. Stay in control, and we'll sit up nice and tall. And again, exhale over the legs. Feel a nice stretch in the hamstrings, calves. Okay, my friends, we are almost there. Let's try a modified teaser combination. Another fun one. Scoop the belly, tuck the tail, roll it about halfway back. We're squeezing the legs together here. And I want you to release just the right leg and lower down. Release just the left and lower down. Good. So we're really testing our strength and our balance here. You can place your fingertips or palms on the floor by your side if you need to. Otherwise, really use that core strength. Good. Let's see if we can release both legs and lower down. So we're squeezing those legs together and lower down. Beautiful. Good. Lower down with control. Stick with me. Lengthen, lengthen. Even if you can't stretch your legs all the way, that's okay. Just try to make the longest leg line possible. If you can, grab onto those ankles or calves or even behind the thighs. We're going to hold it here. Breathe. Good. And lower those legs back down. Woohoo! All right, everyone. We are going to flip over and let's finish with some mountain climbers. So for this one, we have to get into our high plank position. Hands are under the shoulders. Tuck those toes under. Get that booty down. And we're just going to alternate crunching the knees into the chest. Crunch in, foot down. Crunch in, foot down. Beautiful. So we're working slow here, staying in control. Keep your gaze at the mat. And let's see if we can pick up the pace a little bit. We're going to go for a while. So breathe. Think happy thoughts. Abs in tight. Booty down. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Stick with me. Do not stop. Fight through the burn. Go, 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 go. Keep going. And relax down. Woo! All right, everyone. Push back into your child's pose. You can keep those knees squeezing together or open the legs to the side a little bit if that's more comfortable for you. Nice deep breaths here. Okay, my friends, you are complete with this ab workout. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you completed it. Share this video with your friends and help me spread the love. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And I will see you all in the next one. Take care of you. Bye.